Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2017 Chevrolet Spark. This four-door, four-passenger hatchback just recently passed the 20,000-mile mark. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and an efficient four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a trip computer, an outside temperature display, fully automatic headlights, rear wipers, and much more. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, OnStar, and ABS brakes. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.